Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys, something natural, nothing crazy. I'm going to start off by priming my face with my Garnier serum cream. Now I'm going to add some concealer on my eyelids to use as a base for my eyeshadow. This one I'm using is from Tarte Cosmetic. Now with my Wet Beauty sponge, I'm going to go ahead and blend it out. Now I'm going to go ahead and set that with my setting powder. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some of my Morphe bronzer under my eyebrows going down to the side of my nose. And I'm going to go ahead and blend it out to the outer corner of my eye. Now using my Blushing in Bali palette from BH Cosmetic, I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to blend it going inward. Now I'm going to go in with my Blend Bunny palette and I'm going to be using this orange shade right here. I'm applying it to the outer corner of my eyes and then I'm going to blend it going in towards the middle. Now from the same palette, I'm going to use this darker shade right here and I'm going to apply it again on the outer part of my eye and blend it inward over the orange. Now I'm going to use my eyeliner by Maybelline to line my eyes. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. For foundation today, I'm going to be using my Fit Me by Maybelline. To apply it, I'm just going to use my wet sponge to put it on and then blend it out all over my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer. These two are from Tarte Cosmetic and one shade is lighter than the other for a reason. I apply the lighter shade under my eyes and the darker shade I apply on the rest of my face. To blend it out, I'm using the same sponge that I used to apply my foundation earlier. Now I'm going to use my Fenty stick to contour my face. I'm gonna use my Sashka Buttercup setting powder to set my face. After dipping it into the powder, I press it onto my hand like this, just so it could go up into the sponge, so I don't be applying too much onto my face at once. And I'm gonna continue to apply this onto all the areas that I already applied concealer to. Now I'm going to go in with my Morphe bronzer again, and I'm going to use it to warm up my face a little bit and put some dimension in it. I'm also applying some of the contour powder on my nose, and I'm going to bring it all the way up into what I applied under my eyebrows earlier. Because I want under my eyes to be even brighter, I'm going to go ahead and apply some more of the setting powder there, and I'm just going to let it sit there for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and apply some onto my chin, under my nose, my forehead, my nose, and so on. All the places that I added concealer. I just want to brighten them up a little bit because this is the look I'm going for today. This is not something I do all the time, but I feel like doing it this way today because of the look that I'm going for. Here I'm also adding it on my cheek to bring out my cheekbone a little bit more. You know what I'm saying? Give it that really nice chiseled look. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my MAC Skin Finish Powder onto my face, and this is going to act as a filter on top of the makeup that I just applied, and it's just going to make everything look all blended and come together in one. I'm using my Blushing in Bali palette again for my blush and also for my highlighter. So the blush is what I'm applying right now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some highlighter on my nose, under my eyebrows, on my nose bridge, and so on and so forth. Now I'm applying some lip liner on before my lipstick. I'm not sure which lip liner this is, but I believe I got this from the beauty supply store. Usually after applying it, I would use the back of it to blend it out before I apply my lipstick. For lipstick, I'm using my NYX, and this one is SMLC15 Athems. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and set my face using my NYX setting spray. And this is the finished look, you guys. I try to go, easy with the shadow today. I try not to do anything extra like I do sometimes. And I feel like it came out great. I feel like it goes well with the outfit that I'm wearing. So, yeah, I am very pleased with it. The hair I'm wearing is from Unice. I already posted the video, but I'll link it down below so you guys could find it just in case you're interested in seeing it. If you guys haven't already joined my membership community, definitely check it out. Definitely go ahead and do so. For the boss membership, I will be doing free one-on-one makeup tutorial. It's unlimited, so you could definitely sign up for it as many times as you want. So definitely check it out. I will leave all the information down below so it will be easier for you guys to find out more. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!